What is the simplest form of the following expression? I need to be able to simplify this. So I need to be able to take a factor of the numerator and see what cancels. And also, be careful when you factor, especially when your first number is negative. So let's go and take a common factor first. Let's see, what number divides 2, 24, and 72? 2. And since the first number is negative, remember, you need to be careful, you need to take a negative 2. Do they all have an x? This has 3 x's, this has 2, and this has 1, so I can take out one of the x's. Y's, this has 1 x, this term has 2 y's, y's. This has 1 y, this has 2 y's, and this one has 3 y's, so I can take out 1 y. And if you notice, you should be able to recognize automatically that that should be taken out because that will cancel with the denominator. So that will cancel out. But then what's left behind? What do I need to multiply negative 2 to get negative 2? Just a 1. And I have 1x and I need x to the third, so I need x squared. I have 1y and I only need 1 y, so I don't need anything else. What do I need to multiply negative 2 to get negative 24? So I'll be positive 12. I have 1x, but I need 2, so I need 1 more. I have 1y, but I need 2, so I need 1 more. For the last term, 2 multiplied by what gives me negative 72? That will be positive 36. I have 1x, and I only need 1, so I don't need another one. I have 1y, and I need 3, so I need 2 more. Remember, those two cancel, so I'm just going to factor this out using my double parentheses. Factors of x squared will give me x and x. Factors of 36 will be 6y and 6y. And they both should be positive because they need to add up to a positive 12xy. So if you multiply, that gives you x squared minus 6xy and minus 6xy gives you 12xy, and then plus 36y. Now because they're exactly the same, I'm going to rewrite it as 1. X plus 6y squared. So your answer will be letter B.